Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows 10 operating system to appear as though it was new or you have just installed it today. So you may want to do this if you have experienced sluggishness, Windows becoming too slow, the internet is not loading up, or it also taking longer time to boot up or maybe even to shut down. So a solution is just to reset your Windows as a new operating system. So to get started, go to your Windows Start button, then click on Settings, then go to Update and Security, then go to Recovery, and then under Reset this PC, click on Get Started. And now this one will give you two options. This is to keep my files or to remove everything. So the first option keeps your files but deletes all the softwares that you have installed on your machine. So for example, if you have Office but you have Word document that you have written as your personal files, so the Office will be deleted but the document will be kept intact. The second option, to remove everything, this one will remove everything, that is all your personal files, apps, settings, and also the softwares. So depending on what you want to achieve, you may want to choose either keep my files or remove everything. For example, if I want to keep my files, I will click on keep my files. This may take some time to load. So you will get two options, that is to download from the cloud or local reinstall. So the first option may take some time because it will be downloading new Windows from the cloud, but the second will reinstall from the Windows installation itself. So if you don't have a stable internet, just choose local reinstall. You can also change the options. So restore apps, which comes with this PC. So you can choose whatever you want and then you can just confirm, and then you just click next, and then it will take time. It will start resetting the Windows until it's done. So the second option, so I've just cancelled the first option. Just clicking on this get started again to check on the second option. Just clicking on the second option just is to remove everything. This will again, I will choose local reinstall, then click next, and now this one will also try to reset the Windows, and it may restart once in a while, so do not get worried, but I'm going to cancel this operation because I don't want to reset my PC. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.